love. Relax, let me bury you. Huh? Relax. You are dead and gone. You need to be buried so you can go and rest. Everybody will rest. Huh? Relax, relax, let me bury you. Biko, relax. I do not know what I bribed the heavens with to give me such a beautiful woman as a wife.
I'll go with you.
Beauty with brains. Egom nesis.
Oh, honesty.
Egom nesis. Okwonesis.
Honesty, your fuma. Odogu. Woke ka woke.
But you know, having a woman like this as a wife is not just about having money. No. Number one thing is grace. Yes. It comes with grace. I cannot give you my life, because if I give you my life, that means I'll die. Another man will marry you. And I say no. But I will give you the world. Yes. And to prove that to you, this is just the beginning. For you. More coming. Please, enter your car. Feel free. Okay. Yes, for you.
Hey!
Gini. Adende. Jide wanne ki.
Shilota.
Sister. Hey! I don't know.
Good afternoon, sir. Okunda man, you didn't go for your sister's wedding anniversary?
Almost everybody go at the same time. After all, my mom, my wife, and my sister, they are all there. And besides, I have so many things, to take care of. Another time I will attend another event.
No problem. My grandmother said I should come and remind you about the pamphlet you said you were supposed to do today.
Yes, I have that one in mind.
No problem now.
I will come and do it.
No problem. Don't forget.
No, I will not. All right, take care.
What?
Okamsije Chilota wakwakabona ngesiweba. Wakwakabona ngesiweba. Hey. Icho amo okamsiweje. Chilota. Hey! O kapsi weje. Chilota keki siga. Olumeri la bombi o, Olumeri la bombi, Olumeri la bombi.
Great Takura, I have fulfilled my promise of dedicating the lives of my wives to you on every marriage anniversary. It is now time for you to fulfill your promise of giving me abundant wealth.
You have done well. Bury your wife before 7 days elapses, and marry another to be used as sacrifice in your next anniversary. Wealth shall know no bounds.
It shall be done, Great One. My late wife, Chilota, will be buried tomorrow.
Who will be buried tomorrow? Chilota will be buried. Second.
You heard me. People who leave their loved ones in the mortuary are people who do not have money. Egomne Sisi. I am capable, very capable, to plan a burial and execute it within 24 hours. And when I'm done, for the burial, so you people have nothing to worry about. To be done and done properly. Take this money, use it to plan anything you want for the burial. If you need more money, let me know.
Wait. My sister that just died a few hours ago. Someone that we have not even started mourning. Even some of our extended family members have not even heard of her demise. Is that the person you're talking about that will be buried tomorrow? Mpano. I'm a man. I am the first son of my family. And I do as much to protect the interest. How can you bury my sister, Chilota, my own younger sister? Somebody go for Anna. Can I be buried tomorrow? No! As the head of the family, as the first son of our father, we members of the family, we decide on when she will be buried and how she will be buried. And that is non-negotiable. That's it, you bury her tomorrow. For what?
I'm happy you know it is non-negotiable. Because once I say something, it is law. Nobody on earth can counter what I say. Not even a member of your family. Never. So the burial will hold with or without your presence. Well, you go Ikedieze burial.
That's what have you lost your sanity and empathy? Where is your soul, Tochko? Wait, tell me exactly, where is it done in our tradition? Where have you had it? That your wife barely died this morning and you want to bury her the next day? Owara, Tochko, this is pure abomination. Very horrible one for that matter. I will not stand here and watch you carry out such abomination. Owara the guy.
I do not care.
Tochukwu, you know that decision isn't independently yours to make, Tochukwu. The entire family hasn't decided on a date. And as such, Chilutana will not be buried tomorrow.
Over my dead body. And my sister that just died of unfortunate circumstances be buried like a chicken without honor or respect.
If you want your sister to be buried over your dead body, may your wish be granted. 12 noon tomorrow, my late wife will be buried. If you decide you don't want to come, any member of your family, no problems. But just know that the burial will hold with or without your presence.
What you have is money. You are not God. I'm a man. What I have here are two functional balls in between my legs. See, Chilota is my sister. She's my younger sister. I'm the first son of the family. Mom for Rihanna. And as such, my duty is to protect the interests of my family. We cannot just sit down and allow you just mess up with our sister. What do you mean that you will bury her tomorrow? That will never happen. Chilota will not be buried tomorrow. Assassin.
I am your God. 12 noon tomorrow.
Hello, Lisa.
What is this I'm hearing about our sister's death, Chilota?
My brother Otais in here, that is how it happened. It is true. Chilota is gone.
What's going on? We spoke just yesterday and she was telling me about her anniversary celebration. She wasn't sounding sick in any way.
We don't know what happened. We don't even know. In fact, the cause of her death is still unknown to everybody. She was hale and hearty. All of a sudden, Chilota just died. So that
How is Mama?
Mama is not too fine. In fact, the worst thing that is happening now is that Tochukwu said that our sister Chilota will be buried tomorrow. For what?
What nonsense? Why the rush? Why would my own sister be buried in my absence? That would never happen.
I don't know what the problem. What is wrong with him? You know this. You know the way he behaves. Anything that he says he will do, he does that. He doesn't go back on his words. That's my problem. That's why I am as bitter as anything.
That's his business. But my sister will never be buried in my absence.
Yes.
Go and give him the phone.
Is it your phone? Okay. Yeah. Tochukwu, Lolisa wants to talk to you.
Namani, stop wasting your time. My word is final. Chilota will be buried tomorrow.
Did you hear him? Did you hear what he said?
Do as he said. Sister Chilota's corpse should be laid to rest tomorrow. Just as Tochukwu said. Just do as he said.
Let's go. Can.
Tochukwu! Open this door else I break it down. Touch what has come over you. Why do you allow the spirit of wealth to ruin you and possess you to this extent? You trample on your in-laws as if they are nobody because you have money. Eh, Tochku? Tochku, let me tell you. The death of your wife's burial is a collective decision between you and her family. You don't have any right to solo decide on when she should be buried.
Brother, it's not fair, oh. It's not fair. Brother, it's not fair, oh. Can you please have everything?
I have made my decision, and no Jupiter can change it. So stop bluffing. Go to the sitting room, Mama, and wait for me. We have something to discuss.
Are you hearing him?
This money here is for the burial of my late wife, Chilota. In here is hard currency. Igigwe. Take this money. Use it to make the necessary preparations. All the arrangements on your own side. Take care of them with this money. I've already done mine, okay? Plenty of money. I've already spread money around generously. Taken care of everything. The burial is going to be solid. So, on your own part, handle anything you want to handle. Just make sure it goes well. If you need more money, let me know.
Dochku, tell me exactly why you want to bury your late wife so soon. Is there something you're hiding from me or what?
Hiding something from you?
Yes, I want to know what is it.
Mama, Chilota is dead. She's dead and gone. Nobody can bring her back.
So?
What I owe her right now is a befitting burial, okay? I give her a befitting burial so that her soul can rest and rest in peace. I believe the soul is probably wandering right now. In the body now, the soul are not the wire. That's how it's done. That's what I want to do for her. I don't know why you people are opposing me or trying to stop me. Of course, you already know. Nobody can stop me. Any decision I take is law. So you should be proud of me as a son. I'm doing the right thing.
Tochoko, the same thing happened in your last 2 marriages. Those ladies died mysteriously at their marriage anniversary day. You insisted they should be buried the next day, which you did, just the way you wanted it. Just because their families were not capable of holding grounds with you. Tochoko, please. Why do you want to make this a yearly affliction? Please don't even let this affliction rise this time.
Mama, what do you call affliction? That I gave my 2 late wives befitting burials. Is that what you call affliction? Burials that are still being talked about in our village up till now. Huh? They are seen as the biggest burials ever held in our village. How is it affliction? You don't even know what is coming. You see this burial I want to do now? Ebwe. This one, Ebwe. This will be the biggest burial ever witnessed in our village. I'm doing well.
Brother, I honestly think that...
Will you shut up? You honestly think what? What are you thinking? Make sure, my friend. You don't think when I'm here. I do all the thinking here. You obey. Mama is getting old. She's weak, so she doesn't know how things are run right now. It's now up to you, okay? You're the younger one. You should be helping Mama. See that money over there? Take it. When you get to the village, give it to Ichiodili. Tell him I said he should use it and organize things for the burial. He should make it big and loud. Emphasis on big and loud. You know why?
That was so crazy. Do you know that tongues are wagging, accusing fingers pointing at me as a bad person? Your reputation, your image don't even cost you anything. You're not even thinking about yourself.
Stop crying. Stop crying. No, I heard about Chilota's mysterious death. Hey, honestly, it is shocking. Very unusual. Huh? Oh, but I'm short of words here. By the way, how is your mother?
Oh, she's not fine. She's not herself.
I know she will not be herself.
Brother Namani asked me to come call you.
It's okay. It's okay. You can go to the house now. I'm following you immediately, okay? I'm coming after you. Let me just change.
Okay.
Hey, how do we go about this whole thing? Huh? Namani, I want you to understand this. It will never happen, not when I'm still alive. Eh? Chilota died prematurely. Yes, we all know that. We are still trying to come in terms with how she died and planning on how to mourn her. Dochuku, Akarayoku to bury her tomorrow. It's not done. It will never happen, Kanawagi. Omamme. Okeke why didn't enjoy. Omamme.
Just imagine. Dochuku is taking advantage of his wealth to intimidate us. Huh? How can you say you want to bury my sister the next day? For what? If my father was still alive, Chief, this will never happen.
I know. See, even if your father is alive today, this can never happen because it's a sacrilege. This has never been heard in the history of our village that someone died today. if reborn, and was buried the following day. It's not done. It's not done. Yes, we know that. Yes, Tochukwu's wife, Tochukwu did it once. Yes, when the wives died, he buried them the following day. But no Baruch. This will never happen. Chilota is our child, our flesh and blood, and we must give her a befitting burial.
Exactly. Exactly. Huh? How come? Just because he has money. And I'm sure there must be a reason for Tochukwu to just wake up and say that Chilota Masita must be buried the next day. Something is amiss. Something is wrong somewhere. Maybe it's something that we're not seeing directly. There must be something wrong somewhere. Just put one or two together. You realize what I'm talking about.
Yes, I'm beginning to think the same way with you.
Better the first or second wife, just the same thing. And he wants to do the same thing with my sister. You know what I told you about my brother? Do you know that after telling Olisa what Tochukwu said, my brother had the effort to tell me that I should, don't worry, whatever Tochukwu said, I should comply with that. If he said he wants to bury, no problem. I should let our sister to rest.
Huh?
Just imagine.
He's Adriama. He's mad.
Just imagine.
He must be very mad. You see, that's the problem I'm having with Olisa. He wouldn't think. He just concur to anything that Tochukwu tells him. I believe Tochukwu must have been pumping you with money. That's why he's behaving like this.
I don't know.
Just imagine.
I'm surprised. Very surprised. See, Chilota, I discussed. Somebody was owing me. Chilota promised to go and help me and get that money. See, Chilota, dead.
It's so short. It's not as someone.
If I come back from work like this, she'll be the one to rush and go and get me over.
nwantibe enene nsi na jinugo odogwu doyi iro odogwu adoye ka mụrụ dike ka mụrụ odogwu tinye arụ odogwu etinye. Everybody's afraid yo ụjọ dị n'obodo lei tochukwu banesi abịago ochukwu ego kirikiri okwu n'obodo obodo edeluji. He's evil, he can do anything. He's dangerous, he can do anything. Odogwu doyi odogwu adoye ikotosi iru nkotosi arụ gị iru odogwu tinye arụ odogwu etinye aja nchụgola achụ gị na-agbanyala m stọdụ odogwu doyi odogwu adoye echiri isi nwantibe enene nsi na ji nugo odogwu doyi odogwu adoye ka mụrụ dike ka mụrụ odogwu tinye arụ odogwu etinye.
Why you call me? So you let me tell you I'm coming for food. You give me money. You get mad. Don't do what one.
The battle line is strong. Money where's the road? Dragon that speaks money. Money can never be a problem. Money can never be a problem. You know the shake, you know the shake. It's ready for war, back to back.
Go and bring my wife's corpse now. Hurry. Open the ambulance. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Sir, good day, sir. Good afternoon. Sorry. Good evening. Problem there.
Problem? What problem?
The wife dead body, not there again.
Are you talking to me? I'm asking you. Are you talking to me? I came here, I deposited my wife's corpse. I gave you 1 million naira. I told you it's a VIP corpse. Take good care of it. I'm the only one who can take it. Get it here in Ako.
Okay, you know, say, yesterday night, some boys come here. They wear suit. They come, they shoot everywhere, shoot everywhere, shoot everywhere, shoot everywhere. As they go, they enter inside, carry dead body, come out.
Do you want to disappear from the face of this earth? I'm asking you. Do you want to disappear? Why didn't you call me to tell me this? Why didn't you call me?
I just they come work this morning. They tell me say as they shoot finish, they will carry a wife body come out.
Listen to me. If you do not produce my wife's corpse this minute, I will bury you and your entire family. Where is my wife's corpse? Where? See, you think I'm joking with you. Hey, bring my phone now.
Order, please, order. Order, please, order, beg. You never reach like that. Whosoever I beg. This was bad.
Hello, DPO. Yes, it's me. Please send your boys to Hill Spring Mortuary. Yes, please send them right now. Now. I need them to handle something for me. Send your best men. All right, thank you.
Hey, Oga, I beg. You never reach police, Oga. Oga, I beg. Hey.
Oga, please. I beg. Oga. No verse. We'll go find them. Anywhere that comes today, I don't saw one of my deity of my village. I beg, Oga.
This one here and every other person in there who works here. Now move them to the station.
Pick them.
Move! Move that! Move! Okay, I say move. Stop complaining. Move!
Kotosi arugiru Odogwu tinye arụ odogwu etinye Igba ama egbe tụọ gị bọmbụ ifo n'anya Odogwu donye iru odogwu adonye Chiri isi nwa dibe enene nsi na ji inugo Odogwu donye iru odogwu adonye
Never. This is the whole family, all of them. That's the head of their family. Arrest all. Arrest everybody here. Pack all of them to the station now.
What is happening here?
Arrest them. Nonsense.
Don't you worry about it. What is happening here?
Arrest him immediately.
He's not going anywhere.
Officer, Nanya, OWOH, why are you
move?
Shoot him in the scrotum.
I said move. Move all of them. Move. I said move. What is it now? Hey! Look!
Move them where?
Shoot him in the scrotum!
Close that gate!
Massive attack! Shoot that idiot!
Don't you you're disgracing yourself! Don't you you cannot kill me! Why are you flipping from abomination to abomination? What is the problem?
Why are you wasting time? What is there?
Only make sure get down! Close that gate! Somebody should close that gate! Somebody should close that gate! Don't you?
Shibo! Hey!
Why did you steal your sister's corpse?
I admit that I was not in support of Tochukwu burying my sister just a day after her demise. But you see, stealing her corpse? No, I never did.
Where were you last night? The investigation shows that you were awake till 2:23 a.m. this morning.
I was in my bedroom. I didn't sleep at all. I cried until this morning. everything about the death of my daughter happened so fast.
So you were awake up to that ungodly hour to perfect your plans to steal the corpse with your friends.
Officer, I cannot possibly steal my sister's corpse. But if given the opportunity, I will take it. Because why would Tochiko want to bury my sister a day after her death? It's not done.
What do you know about the missing corpse?
I know nothing about the missing corpse. But I have something to tell you.
What is it?
Officer, I believe the reason Tochiko is trying so hard to bury Chilota's corpse this soon is because he's definitely hiding something. Officer, I will advise you channel your energy towards him and investigate him. You'll definitely find something that he's hiding. That's all I know.
How much are you paid?
Just 30,000, sir.
30,000 naira. 30k is too small compared to the risk you take in doing that job. So you planned with your friends, collected huge amount of money to sell the corpse.
No, Oga, no. No, I swear I say I go do this job with all sincerity, honesty and diligence. But I sabi you get answer to this question we ask me.
Yes, who is that?
In name no Kronta. The boy like money. Okoronta like money, oh. Well. In this money players, same so. You know, say yesterday, I see some boys wear suit, then they waka. I say, how Okoronta could leave work when they do uncle, they do her pumps. All these people they carry dead body. As I come work this morning, I don't see Okoronta. Yes, I don't see him.
So you're suggesting he might have planned with the people that stole the corpse yesterday night?
No suggest anything. Now Okoronta carry the dead body.
Where can I find him?
Bro, good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
Please, I'm looking for one Okoronta.
Okoronta?
Yes.
Okoronta is not around.
Which of these apartments is his own?
Look at the Okoronta apartment there.
Who are you to him?
He's not my brother. We are working here. And I normally see him around whenever time we come to work. But I haven't seen him since yesterday. Hope there is no problem, sir.
Tochukwu, are you okay? Tochukwu, why do you want to kill me before my time? Do you know sometimes I wonder what goes through your mind? How could you arrest a family that just lost a loved one? Ogene.
All of them will rot in jail if they do not produce my wife's corpse. You know me very well, Mama. You know what I'm capable of. The magic, Mama, you know that already. You know the son you gave birth to.
It's enough. Tochukwu, that's enough. Look at me, I have suddenly become an object of caricature. Topic for the whole villagers. Tochukwu, what did I do to you? Do I deserve all this? Look at me. The entire villagers are accusing me of secretly supporting you. Tochukwu, your irrational behavior is rubbing off on me. So strong on me. Why? Get a camel.
This is Kylie, the woman I'm going to spend the rest of my life with.
Tochukwu, what nonsense are you talking about? Can't you be ashamed of yourself? Has it got to this extent? I'm asking you. Your wife's cause has not even gotten cold. For just 1 minute, you are bringing another woman into your home. Tochukwu, you had the guts under this condition to bring another woman into your home. Shame to you. Shame to you. Woe beside you. Honestly, if you're a child, I will so flog you. You deserve to be flogged. Just look at you. The entire village has made me a topic of discussion. They accuse me of secretly supporting you, and you are happy. Tochukwu, what did I do to you? Must I die? Are you not seeing the handwriting on the wall? That your name is at stake? Are you not seeing the handwriting on the wall? That the whole world is laughing at us?
Good afternoon, my mother-in-law. Nice to meet you in person.
You're stupid. You are stupid. You lack home training. I'm sure you're coming from the plantation. You are a fool. You call me your mother-in-law in Apuara. Were you sent to come and tempt me? Can't back now that you're going to get me. Nigga, maybe you have the effort to call me your mother-in-law. I, your mother-in-law. Woe unto you. Woe to you, you don't deserve to be in womanhood. You are ashamed to womanhood. Yes. Nonsense. You will not kill me before my time.
Mama, I'll be going to see her people in the next 2 days. Yes. Once I get there, I'll kickstart the whole marital process, marital rights. I'll kickstart it, and of course, I'll conclude it the same day. You know me now. Mama, on that day, our marriage, I'm telling you, if you get me that day, it has never been seen in our village before. You know me very well, Mama. If you decide to come for the marriage, fine. Do not want to come, still okay. But I will do it with or without your consent.
It's better. Tochukwu, it's better you do it without my consent. Tochukwu, go ahead! Go ahead and do it without my consent. I don't care. I will never be part of this abomination. I will never be part of your nonsense. Enough. You've wronged me so much. can do anything you want to do. Go ahead because you're not hearing your name everywhere. Go ahead! Where does it happen? Hi, Tochukwu. Tochukwu, you have killed me.
No one admitted to stealing the corpse. I used all my tactics on them. I think they're innocent. I'm about releasing them before this call. One of the mortuary attendants gave us useful information about the gatekeeper who was on duty last night when the corpse was stolen. He's on the lawn, which means he knows something about the missing corpse. I think we should channel our investigations towards him.
Officer, no. I say no, Ekwena. Officer, torture them. See, I know that family very well. It's a family of criminals. Yes, they know where the corpse is. Officer, I said torture them. Emenebele, it's your job. Torture them and they will confess.
I have the corpse.
So I'll call you back. What did you just say?
I, Egomozo One, Najobek, I'm in possession of the corpse.
Anya, if you do not want me to bury you in this compound this minute, produce my wife's corpse now and hand it over to me.
You mean to say my sister's corpse? Oh, you think my family has no one to speak for them? And you decided to toss them around like a toy? Let me remind you, my family has the capacity to wipe out your entire generation from the surface of this earth. And that capacity is me. So you killed my sister? Huh? With all the secrets? You did something that led to the death of my sister. And you want to bury her with the secrets? Oruga Akugo. Job again, Akugo.
Olisa, you will kill me. Me, Egonesis. Olisa, I see because you traveled to South Africa to push hard drugs. You now feel you can challenge me. You feel you can stand in front of me and talk. Let me tell you something. Before you were born, I had a full farm behind my building. Full farm. Large, full acre where I was planting and growing cannabis, exporting cannabis and melibo before you were born. Egom ne siajis, ibatano akum egom esimugi.
Egonesisi. When men are talking about shiploads of powder, you're here talking about a farm plantation of Igbo, Indian herb. That is to show how local you are. Look at you. And for your information, Ego, Egonesisi. Egonesisi we Ego Chie. Money flows. Ego Muzo. Uzo Mmiri. Where money flows. That is who I am. Yeah, farm plantation.
Hey, lock that gate. Pick up this man, lock him up in my dungeon now. Lock him up. Hey, move him to my dungeon now.
Hey, for ya, they play in the show. They go mozo, my rosa nile. Hey, man, guy, my cousin, my plantation, Indian hemp. By the time I finish dealing with my negi powder, it's so cool. You got EJ, and I chop it. And I can blood sucking demon. The blood of my sister will be the end of your vampirism. Mugu.
Yes, officer. Aha, Olisa. Olisa, my late wife's brother, he just confessed to me right now. He said it before me. He said he's in possession of my wife's corpse. Yes, he just told me to my face right now. Officer, listen, you have all of them. pick a member of their family, torture the person, torture that person very well. The truth will come out. They will tell you where they kept the corpse. Shoot the person in the leg if need be. What do you mean, what? Am I going to teach you your job? Officer, you know how you will do these things now. Torture the person very well. See, I'm suggesting their mother. Pick their mother, torture their mother, shoot her in the leg. Honor Koyeni, shoot her second leg and get the truth out of her. Let them say where they kept the corpse. What are you talking about? Nobody will hold you. This is you doing your job. Do your job, for God's sake. Torture the person. All right, fine, look. I am not a child. I know how these things work. I will mobilize you. Okay? I'll give you mobilization fee. Akalim open kote. Torture the person. Shoot the person in the leg if need be. Shoot! Emenebele. Let the truth come out. What? Hey.
Mama, hey! What is it? I heard you scream. Ogini. What now? What is it now, Mama? I saw your sister in my dream. I always see her in my dreams. She's not happy. Wherever she is. Jilota is not happy. I'm not happy. Oh, you better allow Chilota to rest in peace. Who killed my daughter? Oh, no. She's not happy. Chilota is not happy. No, Sukun, please now. Mama, look at your health. Please, I beg you. If you see her, Chilota was that dream. She was so happy. It's okay now. It's okay.
Hey! Why would he arrest us on of all days on the day of my sister's burial ceremony? See, I can allow every other things to slide, but this will not slide. Nana Gwamia.
My daughter's calls have gone missing.
Oh, maybe they are coming to rearrest us.
Rearrest my daughter's calls!
No problem. Olisa. 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 Mama. It's okay. It's all right. Stop crying.
I'm not fine. I am not fine. Your sister's daughter gone missing. I got missing. Oh. Hey!
You have even made more money, much more than we thought. Yes, my brother. Your brother has made money. This is Ego Moza. Wow. At Joburg. Why would you just leave the whole of South Africa and come back without even telling us that you were coming? I don't need to announce to anybody that I'm coming to my house. This is my house. They are my boys, don't worry. Your brother has made money. This is Ego Moza 1 at Joburg. Are you serious? Yes, I'm back. I'm back for good. Thank you. Mama, how are you doing? Stop crying. Everything is fine. I'm here.
Elisa, I am not fine. Your sister's corpse has gone missing.
Yes, brother. Tochukwu even got us arrested.
What?
He was accusing us of stealing my sister's corpse.
What? Tochukwu laid his filthy hands on my family? What is going on? In fact, the battle line is wrong. I will deal with that foolish boy. I'm here now. In fact, I'm coming from his house. Just now. Yes. Yes?
Tochukwu is evil and very dangerous. I don't want you to be involved in any crossfire. Please.
Leave those ones for me. Tochukwu should be the one scared of me. Because by the time I finish with him, he will regret his life. This is your son, Ego Moza. I have made it.
Olisa, please. You three are all I have now. I've lost a child. I don't want to lose another one. Besides, Tochukwu might not even have a hand in my daughter's cause.
Mama, what's it? It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a big lie. Let me see. Can't you people even think of it? There is more to my sister's death than meet the ordinary eyes. The way she died, the sudden arrangement for her burial. And you people not even thinking. Something is happening somewhere that we're not even seeing it.
Oh.
And we must find out.
Yeah. Like I said, I'm here for good. And I'm here to fight that useless boy. In fact, the corpse is in my possession. Yes, and I'm not going to release it until we find out what killed our sister. If not, she will be buried.
Listen.
Yes.
And this was a huge relief.
Azuka, you passed me like you didn't see me. What is it?
Yes. Yes. I saw you and I choose not to greet you. Or is greeting by force? Eh?
Why are you attacking me like this?
Your wicked and heartless son had the mind to arrest Nnedi and her children while they were still mourning the mysterious death of their daughter Chilota. He did not stop there. I also heard that he attempted to bribe an incorruptible officer to shoot Nnedi in the leg just so she would confess the whereabouts of his wife's corpse.
What is this all about?
Don't pretend like you don't know what I'm talking about. A snake must give birth to something that is long. If your son can be that deadly, your venom is more deadly. You have been pretending all along. You have been pretending to be a good person. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. You are wicked. You are a wicked person. Stay away from me.
Azuka, are you saying I am not mourning my daughter-in-law?
It is none of my business. It is not my business. Nonsense.
Mama, Oginikwa, why are you crying?
You're asking me why I'm crying. How could you ask such a question? Your brother arrested the entire family of his late wife. Do you know the way people are weighing me on my way coming back? They're weighing me like a thief.
Mama, why are you worrying yourself over what we know about? We already know about it. Why are you crying?
Hey.
Mama, stop it now. Stop.
As if that is not enough. As if all the nonsense is not enough. Tochukwu bribed the police to shoot Ned.
Jesus Christ.
Right in her family, right in the presence of her children. So that whosoever that is in possession of the wife's corpse will provide it. Or the man. Keka Tochukwu. She don't kata wure kwesu hi ocharab. Eh? Hey! Ijuwabo. Ihero we megbola mo. Ihero we megbola mama's bebe m na agbalaga.
Mama, how did Tochukwu's heart grow so cold?
I don't know.
Mama, listen.
I know you already decided not to involve yourself with anything that has to do with Brother Tochukwu, since he insisted that he was going to bury the wife after she died. Mama, this is the height of it. Brother Tochukwu is going haywire and you are the only one that can call him to order.
How?
So please.
How? And how do you sword?
Mama, Mama, just calm down.
Hey!
You are the only one that can talk to him. You are the only one that can make him change his mind. Mama, pick on me.
Ndode, talking to Tochukwu is like flogging a dead horse. He knows who now will appear today.
Mama, you are the only one that he listens to. You are the only one that can convince him.
I
said I want to see my brother.
You can't see your brother.
Is something wrong with you? I said it's urgent. I need to see him.
Listen and listen good. You can't see your brother.
See, I want to see my brother. It's urgent. Allow me see him.
You can't see him. That is the order. That is the order from my boss. I have to leave this place immediately.
Are you high? I said it's urgent. I need to see him.
You can't see him.
Are you okay?
Leave this place immediately.
I said it's urgent. I need to see him.
I said leave this place right now. Leave now.
You're it again. Drowning yourself in a disturbing thought. If I don't know you too well, I'll say what hurts your happiness is far worse than the disappearance of your late wife's corpse. And the way you're going about this is hurting my feelings. Okay, you're here worried about your late wife's corpse. Okay, I heard Olisa is in town with the family. They moved down to the city. And you're here disturbing yourself, killing yourself. The same people who lost their sister. Eh?
Then in a receipt. Yes, I'm as an receipt now. At least before mother make a payment.
Anya, both of you, provide my wife's corpse. Else, I will seal this compound and burn it with both of you inside. Can you hear me?
How dare you, Tochukwu? How dare you? You're just swimming in a stream of money. While I'm swimming in an ocean of money, I control your streams of income. My money has no beginning nor an end. How dare you do that? How dare you say that?
Tochukwu, you're standing on a sinking sand. Your ego and pride is what you're standing upon. And those two elements is what will destroy you.
No, man. Tell you what. Huh? Since when? So I talk now and you talk back. You stand in front of me, a rich man like me is talking. And you are talking right before me. Okay. I see your brother here has given you little change. Gente, the man who established you bows at my feet. You know why?
There are people who are born rich, and there are people who are made rich. That man you know before is totally different from the man standing before you. Come on here, man.
Gonna see. So you are not informed that they're gonna see you go cheer. You are not informed? Rubbish. By the way, who brought you to this compound? Who gave you access to this compound?
I go everywhere and I see everything.
Yet you cannot see where your wife's corpse is.
That might be.
That
might be.
Shame to you.
That means you are no fake. You are not fake. Continue flying, but don't forget. Akufecha Odharao. You don't go? Don't forget.
Get out of this compound.
Get out from here.
I'm giving both of you 2 hours. Can you hear me? 2 hours to provide my wife's corpse and bring it to my house. 2 hours. Else I will burn both of you alive.
I know you're a blood-sucking demon.
You can't do it.
But the blood of my sister will be the end of your vampirism. If I finish living with you, next time if you see a human blood, you run away. Rubbish.
No, Toddy. Lana. Come on, DJ. Is my sister Bala? Is he Gada? Or to let? Is he Gada?
Don't mind it. Finish living with you. Also, okay, can I resolve it? Ugu. What
Please, sir, whatever you want to tell me has to be quick. Because I told my employer that I'll be going to the mall to go get groceries. And lucky enough, the guards were sent on special assignment. Else, my boss would have insisted that they follow me.
Okay. What's your name?
Nancy, sir.
Nancy. Oh. What a nice name. Do you know me?
No, sir. But I know Uncle Namani here.
Okay. No problem. Well, before I proceed, I want to know how much does Tochukwu pay you?
100,000.
100,000 a month?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will give you the sum of 10 million just for you to do a simple task.
Jesus! Hey! 10 million! What? Oh my God! 10 million! Hey, thank you, sir. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Oh my God. Okay. What do you want me to do for you?
Before answering this question, I want to answer your first question. My name is Olisa. I'm a brother to your late madam. Here is my brother.
Wait. You are a brother to late Mrs. Chilota and Uncle Namani here. Forgive me, I didn't know. I didn't know. Oh, your sister was a good person. She was really kind to me. I don't know why death came the way it came and took her away.
It's okay. I'm glad she was very kind to you. And this is the best time to reciprocate that kindness. It's not coming free. We're going to give you, a little token of appreciation in respect to that. Just a simple task.
Wait. You want me? No. I cannot kill my employer. If that's what you think that I would do for you.
then this conversation ends now.
Nancy, right? See, if I wanted to kill Tochukwu, I would have done that a long time ago. But I just needed you to do a simple task. And if anything comes up, if anything happens, I will give your family the sum of 10 million. Just kind of life insurance.
I will not do it.
Nancy, your father is in a chaotic debt. He's owing somebody, and you and I know that your father cannot pay that debt. The same person your father is owing is who your younger sister Chimamanda is serving. Do you want your family to die in perpetual servitude and debt? In abject poverty? I mean, the ball is in your court. Do this and change their lives. Well, Nancy, you can think about it.
What? What is it?
Yetike, what is your problem? Eh? Why have you been avoiding me? What is your problem now?
Avoiding you? Ndode, you know, I've been busy. You know, maintaining the business here in the village is different from maintaining that one in the city. Here in the village, it requires time. So, Bikone, let me go. Oh?
Yetike. Yetike. You know I know exactly when you're lying to me. Tell me the truth. What is the problem? What have I done?
Ndode, a lot is going wrong in your family. And I don't want to get myself involved in it. Please, I will advise you stay far away from each other. Staying close to you is endangering my life. Oh?
Yetike. Yetike, please. This is the time I need you the most. A shoulder to cry on. And ears to listen to my plight. Please. Yetike, please don't leave me. Please.
Ndode, as I said before, we need to be apart from each other until this dust settles. Then, I would think if I would continue with this marriage or not. Excuse me.
Hey,
Papa, good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
You didn't tell me you will be coming home today. You are right. You are right, man. So, how is everyone in the city? And the business too, how's it going?
My business is doing well. Papa, you need to see my barbing salon. People come from far and wide just to have their haircuts.
Of course, you know. But that's the Lord's doing.
Yes,
Papa,
sir. I get you.
That's good. That's
yes,
good, my
yes.
son.
Hey, Papa. While I was just coming back, they stopped me and was asking me why am I avoiding her. Papa, I had to tell her the truth.
I don't want to associate with her family. I don't want to do anything with the family again. I have to tell her off.
Well, my son,
Papa.
I will always support your decisions. Yeah? Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, one cable. You see, I will not see a snake and ask you to go and catch it.
Okay.
Rather, I will see bread and say, "One, get it. Get that bread. Oh, bread come." Huh?
Yes, Papa.
That's my son. No, actually, I was going. We have a plantain that is due for harvest.
Okay.
Oh, I can do. So let me go and harvest it, and we know how to, go about it.
Is that what we're going to eat this evening?
No,
okay. Now be careful, oh. Hey!
Who sent you? Who sent you?
Tochukwu, you have rapidly slipped away from the son I gave birth to. The son I breastfed and trained to be a man of repute, a responsible man. To this ruthless monster that is standing before me. Tochukwu, you have done horrible things with your previous wives. I let it slide. You brought it back again. Tochukwu, you return wickedness in this time again. I let it slide. Not until the missing of your wife's corpse. I struggle to let it slide. Tochukwu, you had to go to arrest the entire family. A family that was still grieving for the loss of their loved one. Tochukwu, I don't know what has possessed you. I don't know how you suddenly became a broad daylight demon. You demanded that Nedi be shot in the leg just to have her family accept being in possession of your wife's corpse. The family never accepted. I struggled to let it slide. But this one, Tochukwu, I will not let it slide. Yes, I will not. You are a disgrace of a son. Tochukwu, sometimes I wonder where and how your father and I, how we have offended you, where we have gone wrong. Is it by giving birth to you, by winning you, or by training you to become somebody? Tell me.
Boss, we have useful information about where the corpse is. Let's go.
So this is what this whole thing is all about. The corpse everywhere.
My boss, I just got information now that the location of the corpse has been discovered by Tochukwu. They are currently on their way to retrieve it, sir.
What? You know what to do now?
Yes, sir.
Hey, get it, Joshua.
Okay, sir.
Oh yeah, immediately.
Hello?
Yeah, what is going on there? Hello? Hello? See, if anything happened to that corpse, I will deal with you.
Hello?
Hello? Where are you, see? Hello? Hello?
I can't hear you.
Hey, if anything happens to that corpse, I person. Hello?
Hello?
You do talk what? Oh, well, let me call his second line. Hello? I said, if anything happened to that corpse, hello? What is family? Are you mad? Hello?
for us. We are late.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go!
Sir, I am shocked when I was told that you called me, you sent for me.
Why are you shocked? Do you feel threatened in any way?
Yes, sir. Hope I'm safe, sir.
You are. I am curious. How much does Tochukwu pay you each time you go to Babi?
Sir, he pays me 50,000 naira per home service. In fact, he's the only person that pays me well each time I go for home service to Babi. Not until...
Until what?
Rumors started circulating that he's a ritualist. I thought it was just a rumor. But not until his wife died. And he decided that he was going to bury his wife a day after she died. So I had to put 1 and 2 together. And I come to a total conclusion that he is into rituals. I believe he's into rituals.
I will pay you 10 million for you to barb him.
Jesus Christ. 10 million. Hey, so I've not seen that kind of money. And I've not touched it before.
You will say it now. You will touch it. Feel it.
What if you go back, and continue barbing him? Yeah, I'm aware he asked you to come and barb him today. Is that not so?
Yes, sir, it is. But honestly, sir, my life worth more than money. I have a choice. I have a decision, and my decision is that I am not going back to that house. I am scared.
How about if he finds out that you have dumped his sister, his dear sister, leaving her shattered and heartbroken, knowing that he can kill for this same sister?
I will do it, sir.
Of course you will do it. I need the strands of his hair from the beds. And I want you to do that as soon as possible.
The great servants of Ogumri, who have come because we believe that our in-law, Mr. Tochukwu, has a hand in the death of our late sister, his wife.
And you want him to come to the abode of Okumiri to swear an oath of innocence or guilt?
Yes, great one. We've heard about the sincerity and uprightness of Okumiri since I was a child. And we believe that this is the best place for us to come. That's why we're here.
Uzoma Tochukwu Kinsele.
Yes, that's it. That's his name.
I am the priestess of Okumiri.
I know you.
An accusation has been made against you over the mysterious death of your late wife. You are hereby invited to the abode of the great Okumiri to swear an oath of innocence. And if you are found guilty, the same fate that befell your late wife will befall you instantly. Honey, what is going on? You promised to come see my people, and up till now I haven't heard anything from you. What is really going on? Talk to me. What is going on? Talk to me.
Your late wife's family reported your case to Okumili. You are to report and swear your innocence. Your time is ticking. The substance in there will neutralize whatever that you will do at Okumili. Take it.
Thank you, great Takura.
Everybody's afraid, yo.
It's my clipper. It's my clipper.
Open it. Open this other side. Move.
Olisa lele le, olisa, olisa lele, olisa lele le, olisa, olisa, olisa lele le, olisa, olisa lele. Onye baluwangu akanodu, olisa. The battle line is strong, olisa lele. Onye baluwangu akanodu, olisa. Ego muzo. Money where's a road? Olisa lele. Dragon that speaks money. Money can never be a problem. Money can never be a problem.
Hey. You want to see everything finished?
Babe, wait. You know say you dey do yourself.
How? So, you have this kind of handsome rich man
as your husband-to-be and you're this relaxed? Don't you know you're supposed to be pressuring him to go and see your people? Because men like this, they are hard to come by. Person like me, sef, if I even see her for market, I no go even price her.
I think you're making a point there.
Exactly. Don't do yourself. I don't fall my hand, though.
Yes,
So, Zipporah. Yes, Mom. How did you meet my son? Let me get Mom see. How did you meet him?
I met him at the mall where I was contemplating on the deodorants to use. So he suggested one for me that Amara is using. So I bought it and all of that, and he gave me his contacts. Yes, that I should tell him how I loved the fragrance. So I went home, you know, I used it and I loved it. I absolutely loved it. Yes, so I chatted him. I told him how I loved the fragrance. So we started catching up, you know, started chatting. And we fell madly in love with each other.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, that's very nice.
That means I deserve some accolades.
Yeah, you do.
What do you do?
A serial entrepreneur, ma.
That's very nice.
Thank you, ma.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you, mommy.
Zipporah,
yes,
how about your parents? Your mother and father? Your siblings, if there's any?
My mom is late. Yes, ma. My dad lives in an easy village.
Our village shares border with yours. Yes. I am sorry about your mother. Zipporah, you know, I just lost a daughter.
Oh my God, so sorry about it, ma.
Thank you. But knowing that a daughter will be added to my family, that brings me joy. I will be your mother. You are my daughter.
Thank you, ma. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Go. What is going on here? Nobody is praising Egomoza for bringing this beautiful, pretty damsel into this family. What's going on? Huh?
Sure.
Exactly. Egomoza has eyes for good things.
Exactly, and that's
You know, the thing is, it actually runs in our family.
Really?
Likewise, my husband, Namani. He also has eyes for good things.
No, give it to me.
Hey. I will soon leave you. I'll soon leave this house. Enough is enough.
Oh, Lisa.
Mama,
you brought a beautiful and well-mannered girl.
Thank you, Mama.
Let me come here. Tomato juice.
Yes, sir.
Now the ke buy no no bi. Look at them why ma.
Money dey sweet, money dey sweet. Eweta trouble, someone eri ga kwasi. Keneli bero chelugodi, Kifi kegali, magano ya kweti fo tukulo na no. Keneli bero chelugodi, no time to waste at all. Oga adira si mancha, no time. No time to waste at all.
Tochukwu, what is going on? If you're not checking the time, you're checking the clock. You're not checking the clock, you're checking the calendar. What is really going on? Listen. I don't understand us anymore. Our plan was for you to get married to me immediately after your wife's burial. And up to now, you're not even saying anything about it. I don't mean to disturb you about it, but I don't want to lose you.
My wife will be buried before I can marry another woman.
So you mean I should pause my life till the person holding your wife's corpse release it? Listen, it's not your fault. You can get married to me. Then when you find her corpse, you can lay her to rest. Because her corpse is nowhere to be found. And nobody will blame you about it.
Great one. I have done all I can to get my wife's corpse, all to no avail. I have exhausted all the tools at my disposal. Help me, Great One. Please help me.
You knew what to do all along, but you chose to chase shadows. You thought you could do it by yourself. You fought and struggled while the fisherman's net was already cast. But it's too late, because the corpse cannot be seen from here.
I do not understand, Great One.
Your adversaries visited a Dibia who made use of the ancient spell. They placed 7 strands of your head in the corpse. No seer or spiritualist will be able to know where the corpse is. They were one step ahead of you, so you have to use your physical strength to find the corpse.
Strands of my hair. Great One, how did they get my hair?
I swear, I didn't hear anything. I didn't hear anything. I didn't. I will never tell anyone what I heard.
are you?
If you want to see your son alive, move it. But who are you? Please. Move it. You are moving it. Move it! Yes, sir!
Hello, who is this?
I believe by now you should know I have your father with me.
I swear, if anything happens to my father, I will kill you. And this is not a threat. I will kill you.
Listen and listen real good. If you don't come to the location I'm going to send you in the next 1 hour, consider your father a dead mate. No, please don't kill me, my son. But what's going on? What's going on? Tell me, please. Because please don't kill. Shut up! Shut up!
Why are you rushing? Ichike, what's troubling you? You're beginning to scare me with your mood. What happened?
They are with my father.
Who is with your father?
Your brother's dogs. They kidnapped my father.
I don't understand. What do you mean they kidnapped him? What did he do?
It's not him. It is me that did something. They are using him to get at me. They're using him as bait to get at me.
What did you do? Talk to me. What happened?
What I did is not the issue now. The issue is I just want you to call your brother. Beg him for me, please. Please.
Ejike, I need you to talk to me. Tell me exactly what happened so I will know what to say to him while begging him.
Your brother has found out that I want to leave you. Dude, you know I love you so much. You know I can do anything for you. It's just your brother's attitude towards me. I don't know. Please, try to understand me.
Don't worry. I'll talk to him. Trust me, nothing is going to happen. Okay? I promise you I'll talk to him. You'll be fine.
Okay.
Trust me.
Thank you very much.
I'll just...
Yes, please. Thank you very much. Please, yes, you know.
I believe you want to see what I can do. Listen, young man, your time has elapsed. But I'm going to give you another 10 minutes grace. If you don't come here in the next 10 minutes, if I don't see you here in the next 10 minutes, you will come here and meet the lifeless body of your father. I am not joking.
Ejike, please come. Ejike, please come now. Hey!
What is happening, my son? What is happening? My son, can I talk to Ejike, my son? Let me tell him to come, please. Chimo. Hey.
Listen, the guy said he doesn't want to see you.
It's a matter of life and death. I really need to see my brother.
You don't hear me. I said go. Oga say no one see you now.
I beg now, my guy. This thing a matter of...
I said go back.
Please now, please go.
Listen, go. Oga say may you go. You know what see you now.
Please now.
Don't shoot my son.
Let's settle this. Please, I beg you, let's settle this, please.
I just step up.
I trusted you, yet you betrayed me. How much did they pay you to betray me? You heard me, I said, how much did they pay you to betray me?
10 million, sir. 10 million.
10 million now.
Please.
Unfortunately, nobody is left to enjoy that money.
I will do anything, sir. I will do anything. I am ready to do anything, sir. Please. Take on this easy because I anything you want me to do it.
When were you going to tell me you've been sleeping with my sister? Stop.
Hey!
Why are you running? Cowards! Why are you running?
Odogwu donye iru, odogwu adonye. Ikotosi iru, kotosi aru giru. Odogwu tinye aru, odogwu etinye. Igba megbe tụọ gị bọmbụ ifo n'anya. Odogwu donye iru, odogwu adonye. Chiri isi nwazibe enene nsi na ji nugo. Odogwu donye iru, odogwu adonye. Kamulu dike, kamulu odogwu. Odogwu tinye aru, odogwu etinye. Everybody's afraid yo. Ucho di n'obodo lei. Tochukwu banesi abiago. Ochukwu ego kirikiri. Okwu n'obodo bagedeluji. He's evil, he can do anything. He's dangerous, he can do anything. No.
If you move an inch, I'll blow off your head.
Odogwu tinye aru, odogwu etinye. Ajanchugola jogi, mayala mustodo. Odogwu donye iru, odogwu adonye. Chiri isi nwazibe enene nsi na ji nugo. Odogwu donye iru, odogwu adonye. Kamulu dike, kamulu odogwu. Odogwu tinye aru, odogwu etinye. Olisa lele le, olisa. Olisa le, olisa lele le, olisa. Olisa.
Pause here. Lock them up in my dungeon.
The battle line is drawn. Olisa le, onye balu wagwa kanodu. Olisa. Ego muzo. Money where's a road. Dragon that speaks money. Money can never be a problem. Money can never be a problem. Waka zuka waka. You know the shake, you know the shake. Amuya, abulu waka. Echiranji, efichano, onyegiya. Echiranji, amuya, abulu waka. Echiranji, efichano, onyegiya. It's ready for war, back to back. Olisa lele le, olisa. Olisa le, olisa lele le, olisa. Olisa, olisa lele, olisa.
You bastard! How dare you lay your crossed fingers on my family? Look, I will pluck your heart and force it down your throat. Bastard, you think this is a game, Abi? This is war.
Money where's a big road. Dragon that speaks money.
Bastard! What did he say? Mama and Hamara are in his custody. This is a game. In fact, this is more than a game. And we are ready to play it.
I will tell him that I invented this game. Whichever way, I have the tactics at my fingertips. You know what to do?
Yes, boss.
Network is disturbing. Hold on, I'm almost outside so that I can hear you. What I should leave my house? Leave my house for what? That is impossible. I cannot. Makagene. If I have to.
Where's your daughter? Where is your daughter?
Inside. Abala o kabiko abala. Abala kabiko. Kabiko abala. Ew! Move!
Tell your son to hand over my wife's corpse to me. Else,
death will visit you today.
You must trust the man. You will burn in hell for all you made my family go through.
I will burn in hell. How can I burn in hell when I'm already coming from hell? I'll tell you a story. When my father died, I left home. Before leaving, I made my mother a promise that I would do anything to make money. 17 years after, I returned as Egone Sisi, stinkingly rich. Do you have any idea what I did to make that kind of money? Do you?
So you are telling me that you killed my daughter Chilota and used her blood for money rituals? Same way you did to your previous wives? Is that what you are telling me?
Call your son. Tell him to hand over my wife's corpse to me this minute, else I will strangle you to death. Now. Hello.
Your family are in my possession. Now, let's play the game on a level ground. At the time I finish with you, you will regret the day you creep into my family to take away my sister in disguise for marriage. Idiot. Idiot, come on, listen to me.
Tochukwu, please. Please come ahead, boss. Please, stop, please. Tochukwu, please.
Did you hear that? Did you hear it? The ball is in your guts. If you waste my time, I waste your time. If you delay me, I deny you. Rubbish. Start counting.
Sir, please, sir, please. Please don't do this, sir, please. Please, I beg you, because no.
Olisa, this is the time for you to stop this risky game you are playing. It's not funny anymore. Your sister and mom are fully involved now and it's not making any sense. They're in Tochukwu's custody. We don't even know if they are safe out there.
Tochukwu will not have the balls to harm my mom and my sister. If he dares touch the sand of any of them here, all hair will let loose. I will send the mother and the sister's hair to him, and I will make him suffer slow and painful death.
Olisa, this war is avoidable. Please, bury your late sister's corpse. Please, I beg of you.
No way. The corpse will never be buried until I find out the killers.
And you think she will be happy wherever she is? She wouldn't be happy, knowing full well that she is the cause of what is happening in your family, that you guys are no longer safe.
It's no longer about what my sister wants. It has gone beyond that. This is my fight, and I intend to fight it to the end.
The man who married me and pulled me out of the piercing claws of my wicked stepmother. The man who gave me a life I have wished for, a life filled with joy, peace, love, and happiness. You stood right beside me when I was having problems. You were there until it was settled. Now that you have yours, I will stand with you. I will stand beside you until the dust settles.
Come. I love you so much. Okay?
And I love you too. I love you so much. And I see what wealth has done to you. It has made you more bravery. It has made you more confident. But in cases like this, where the life of your loved ones have been threatened, honey, you need to think with your heart and not with your head. Because when strategies fails, you'll be endangering the life of your loved ones. Please, I wouldn't want anything to happen to Mama nor Amara. Please.
Promise you, nothing will happen to them, okay? I'll try my best. Make sure I get them out. It's okay.
Please, I beg you, don't kill us. Bingo, please. Have mercy on us, please. Because they know. Please, I beg you, have mercy.
I am begging you. This is getting out of hand. Please release the captives. You're in a position of someone's mother and sister. In fact, the entire family. You're holding them hostage. You know what that means, right? Tochukwu will go to any length to free his family. Please, I beg of you, my love. Release them.
You can get up. You don't need to kneel down to beg me. Just get up.
Baby, please. This game is getting dirtier and risky. Please, release them.
You know he's also in possession of my family. But I will teach him that this game he's playing, I am the founder of it. Who is that?
Boss.
Yes, come in.
Boss, he has agreed to release the captives.
Good. Then you know what to do. And make sure he's not playing the fast one on us.
Yes, boss.
You can release them.
Hey, my baby. I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sweetheart, did I startle you? You okay?
Babe,
What's the problem?
it's been 6 hours. 6 good hours since Mama and Amara were kidnapped. Up until now, no word from Tochukwu. Baby, are you sure he loves his family members enough to go on with the exchange?
I don't know, but I hope he does.
I don't know. This is double people. I don't know, baby. I'm having disturbing, creepy thoughts creeping into my mind. Baby.
What is that?
What if he decides to, release your family members or try to play a fast one on you? I don't know what is going on. I'm just confused. I'm losing my mind.
Sweetheart. Listen. Can you stop this what if? What if? Huh? See, he will do the right thing, okay?
Look. I don't have anywhere else to go to. I don't know what else to do. Look, you, Amara Mama, you are the only family that I have.
It's okay.
I have come to love, cherish. I don't want anything to happen to Mama. I don't know. Please help me.
It's okay. It's okay. Yes, come in. It's okay, okay? It's okay.
Sir. Yes. Tochukwu has decided to release them.
You know what? Do the needful. Just be very smart. Okay? Because, Tochukwu is not someone you can easily bend. Huh? Just be very smart. Okay? All right.
Thank you.
ego maka, money dey sweet, money ego money dey sweet, eweta trouble, come on, Keneli bero chalugodi, kivi kegali, maganoya kweti for tukulo nano. Keneli bero chalugodi, no time to waste at all. Oga adira zigi manja, oga adira, no time, no time to waste at all. Oga adira zigi manja. Shena money be wahala, take the money, oh. Okay, if in a dollar or pounds be wahala, take it.
So this bastard Tochku killed my sister. I will teach him a lesson. I will never forget his life. This is not the right time to strike. Your anger is fueled by pain and not the quest to avenge the death of our sister Chilota. If you confront that stupid man, Tochukwu, now, you will fail.
I see both of you are free now. I hope they did not hurt you.
Like you care. Where is Ejike?
My guards will watch over both of you. I believe those bastards will attack again. This time around, they will go for the kill.
Why exactly? Tochukwu, for all your life you have caused me nothing but pains and sorrows. Peace has been taken away from my soul, from my life everywhere around me. Tochukwu, how have I offended you? If not giving birth to you as a son. Tochukwu, today, under the sun, I disown you. You cease to be my son henceforth.
How many times will you disown me? How many times, Mama? You've done that before now. This is not the first time. You disowned me when I was still a child. You abandoned me and Papa. I was still a kid. You ran away. And then you returned after Papa died. I was already a man when you came back, with my whole life structured. Now you stand before me and tell me you disown me. How many times now? Will you disown me 50 times? Come on now. You're not tired of disowning me. I have many rooms in this house. You can take 4 rooms. 2 for you, 2 for my little sister here. Make yourselves comfortable.
Never. Tochukwu, never! I will never stay under your roof. Stay in your world and let me go to my own world. Let's get out of here. Let's go! Wakitiri. Tochukwu imena m ihe ọjọọ. Tochukwu imewala m obi. Onye mụrụ nwa dị mgbe o gburu onwe ya o. Tochukwu imewala m obi. Why are you crying?
Mama, what is it? Ogini, why are you crying?
Ndudi, why will I not cry? Tell me, why would I not lament and weep? A child that could look into the mother's eyes and speak those words your brother said to me is possessed. Those words did not just hurt. They pierced my heart. They pierced my heart so deeply. Today, I've made up my mind. I've accepted my fate. To take you as my only child. But if you decide to treat me like your brother, somebody ọkwa mmadụ mụtara nwa ọ bụrụ onye ara ọkwa mmadụ mụrụ nwa ọnwụ n'ashịa I will accept it. When time comes, when God say I go, but I will not die. I will never take your brother as my child, not anymore in my life. Tochukwu, I say you came to me. What is bothering you? What are you looking for me for?
Mama, before we were adopted, Ejike told me that his father was kidnapped by Tochukwu's thugs. And they used him as bait to get to him.
I don't understand. What did he do?
He said Tochukwu found out he wanted to end things with me. That is why. He said Tochukwu promised to kill him if he doesn't show up. I ran immediately when I heard all of this. I ran to his place. But the guard wouldn't let me in, let alone speaking to him. I came back to Ejike, but Ejike was nowhere to be found. His father is also missing. His number is not going. Mama, I don't even know what to do. Hey! Mama, do you think Tochukwu would do something bad to hurt him?
You know what you just asked? It's like asking me if I think the sun shines. Your brother is capable of doing anything. One nigga woke Tochukwu wake when so loro biago. Am I heard the horrible? And when he heard the horrible, no what Tochukwu is not capable of doing. Ozuru came.
Mama, if Tochukwu tries anything, I'm not going to forgive him. I swear, I will not forgive him.
Bana Barag. Tochukwu can't apply enough. Does he care?
Let it not be what I'm thinking, no. Let it not be what I'm thinking, no. If he tries it,
he there?
Hello, who is this? What do you mean you have my father? What happened? Father! Father, what happened? Please don't hurt my father, please. I beg of you in the name of God, please. Anything he asks of me, I will do. Please. Where exactly do you want me to go? Okay. Okay, I'll be there.
Please stop. Please don't give me some government. Please don't kill me. Don't kill me, sister. What we don't do. What are the things that they do to me? Please don't kill me. What we don't do. Please don't kill me, please. Please don't kill me, please. Hey! What we don't do.
Please, I beg you, don't kill my father. I beg of you, please. Don't kill him. He's all I've got in this world. Please don't kill my father. I will do anything you ask me. I will do anything. Please don't kill my father.
I'll make it short and simple. I need to retrieve my wife's corpse, and you will help me get it.
How do I come in? I don't understand.
I figured out those two brothers are quite powerful when they are together. So the first thing you do is to separate them. Once you do that, you can slip in through the cracks and execute my plan.
I will do anything for the safety of my father. What must I do? Please don't kill my father. Please, it's all I've got in this world. I beg of you, please.
What is wrong with you?
He's beating me.
Have you got a husband?
I'm having a sharp pain down here. I've been trying to reach him, but it's not going through.
Wait. Hold on. Wait. What is that?
Somebody help! Somebody leave me alone! Leave me! Help me! Somebody! What is going on? Leave me alone!
What kind of nonsense is this? Just imagine. She was screaming. I said that she was having stomach upset. I ran upstairs. I thought you were even here. Only for me to see her screaming. Okay, sorry, okay. She said, I asked her, where is your husband? She said, she has been trying to reach you and to no avail. I said, okay, let me help by calling you. The moment I told her, I thought, she started screaming again. I went to her and said, what was wrong? She grabbed me. You like it?
Maybe he's lying. Maybe he tried to rape
me. If you lie against me, I'll block this your lying tongue.
Look at me. Look at what he did to me. Look at
what
he did to your baby. He tried to take advantage of me. He tried to rape me, baby. Look at me.
Nonsense. How dare you? You betrayed the trust. I trusted you. Could you sleep with my woman? You have the money, you have the capacity to chase other women. Why is Zipporah? Imagine what you're spewing out. Eh? So, you now believe an outsider. I mean, you prefer to believe an outsider instead of your siblings, instead of your brother. Eh? Is that how low you think of me? Shut up, my friend. Why are you lying? Why are you pretending? Why are you playing the victim? When you know you are the pretentious type. Eh? What's your problem? Do not shut me up. See, I can tolerate anything but insults and accusations. Do you understand me? I'm your elder brother. And I deserve some respect from you.
You lost that respect the moment you tried to sleep with my woman. Rubbish. What kind of respect are you talking about? Remember that I made you. And don't forget that I can swear break you.
See, let me tell you the truth. I appreciate the fact that you established me with your business. But God knows that if not for my hard work, in fact, the thing that is keeping me, the thing that has put me where I am, is my hard work. I can remember countless times that I put in my personal money to get down your business when it was shaky. So you have benefited from me and I benefited from you.
Nonsense, stop. I made you and that brother my food. Instead of you to behave well and control this family, you allow that thing under your trouser to scatter this family.
Watch your mouth. Look.
Watch which mouth?
See, you don't have any. You don't have. See, don't insult me. If you insult me, I can.
It's because of this woman. It's because of this woman. It's not because of this woman. I break your head now. I break your head now.
Stop it! You don't have to let a stranger come between the two of you.
You know how many times I come to agree.
Like what? Stop it! Mama, why are you calling us? Zipporah is not a stranger. That's the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with.
I don't care. I don't care. Can't you people see that Tochukwu is behind all this? He wants to cause trouble between the two of you.
Don't tell me that.
Then he will slip in through cracks.
Don't tell me that.
Can't you see the
Don't tell me that. This has nothing to do with Tochukwu.
Small drugs.
Rubbish, I just confessed it. Rubbish, I will break your head if not this woman. I'll break your head, I'll break your head. Just because of this woman. Hey, woman.
Small street drugs.
Control your BP.
You are selling South Africa.
Control your BP.
How about I see?
Mama, then look who stop this.
Calm down, don't worry. Calm down. Come and sit down. Sit down.
The enemy have done this.
Sit down. Sit down.
But what are you talking about?
Come back here. I'm talking to you. Come back here. Are you mad? Are you high on some cheap stuff? How dare you insinuate that my husband wants to have his way with you? The truth they say is bitter. The truth? What truth are you speaking of, you evil manipulator? Even if my husband turns from the upright man that I know him to be, he will never condescend so low as to have something to do with you, let alone raping you. The truth is hard to take in. But you just have to admit it that your husband is a rapist. Oh, now I see how he forcefully forced himself on you whenever he wants to make love to you. Shut the miserable thing of yours you call him out. Don't you ever in your miserable life again speak about my matrimonial life from that gutter mouth of yours. Oh, I see what is happening here. You came into this house to cause trouble, right? Let me tell you something. You see this face you're looking at right now? That is the last face you will ever see that will pull you to your ground if you try. If you dare pull this stunt with my husband ever again. Remember this. If you come for me, I come for you. But if you come for my husband, I will tear you apart.
You mean the rapist?
How dare you lay your filthy hands on Zipporah? Are you mad? When do you lose your atom of respect? Don't you have atom of respect in you?
With due respect, Lisa, my hands are not filthy. It's bad enough that after all these years, you still do not know what your brother can and cannot do. What baffles me is that you choose to believe her over your own brother.
What
No sense. Shut up,
Hey, brother! It's not bad enough that you can leave her over your own brother.
Mama, no, sit down. Before you do what?
You're not even married to her yet. Who knows what will happen when you get married to her? Who knows?
Lay your feeding hands on her. Just try it. Lay your hands on her now. Let me show you the big difference between black and white. Have you got nuts? Huh? Do you think Zipporah is beautiful enough to make me go back on my principles and indulge in such an unhealthy act under the same roof with my wife, my mother, and Amara? Are you okay?
I'm sure Tochukwu is working on her celebrating because his plans is finally coming true. Everything happening in this house is not ordinary.
Mama is right. Eh? Why are we fighting? Our common enemy is Tochukwu. Why are we fighting ourselves?
Will you shut up? The only enemy I have here is you, Naman. And as long as we live together under this roof, stay away from me. Stay away from you. And everything that has to do with me, all the business is over. No longer belongs to you. I don't want to see you there anymore. No problem.
Brother!
No problem. You know what? Pack your things and leave this house. Before I forget, I don't want to see you in my house again. Pack your things and leave my house immediately.
Zipporah!
Let's leave the house. No problem. Go on, bring out that No! I'll pay for a place.
No, I will talk to him.
I knew will come to this. I know, let me come my day.
Mama, Ejike and his father are dead, Mama.
Ejike and his father. How? What happened to them? Has Tochukwu succeeded?
Mama, Ejike was shot dead. The father was shot dead and abandoned in the bush, Mama. Mama, I'm tired. Mama, Tochukwu has succeeded. Mama.
Hey!
Mama, Tochukwu has succeeded.
Tochukwu! Hey!
You have 1 day left.
Blood-sucking demon! When will you rest? Is it when you must have killed everyone that exists on the surface of this earth? You killed Ejike. You killed him because you learned he wanted to dissolve things with me. Show me you are man enough and deny it. Deny it, you evil man!
Have you gone mad? I'll dare you stand before me and spit such nonsense? You have no fear anymore. Ubagala.
You are evil! You killed Ejike's father! You killed the love of my life! What do you stand to gain? You are evil! I will report it to the world! I will say it to all the villagers! I will announce it! I will tell them who you truly are! You are evil! My God will judge you! You are evil! You are evil! You are evil! I hate you! I hate you! You are evil man! You are evil man! You are evil!
How can Olise do that to his own blood? Because of a woman he's intending to marry. Woman he has not even married at all. What is wrong with him? Why should you do that to you?
Uncle, let me tell you the truth. See, if you want to bring a law bagger, anything, I can swear that I never took advantage of that woman.
Even if you did, is it enough reason for him to cut off from his family? I know you. You are not capable of such. You see, it's like that small money, that little money he made is eating up his brain. That money is eating every part of him. It's bringing him down. That money is intoxicating him. That is why he's behaving the way he's behaving. You know what? I am going to send for him. I will send for him and I will talk to him. Don't worry yourself. I must surely send for him.
No problem, Uncle. Thank you so much. See, it is too bad that this thing is happening at this time. Look at the problems. Look at the things we are in. Our sister has not been buried. And look at the problem. And why I'm even bothered is that he's my only brother. Apart from him, I don't have any other brother. So how can I be his enemy at this time? Now that we're supposed to work together and achieve the right result for our sister, for the image of our family.
Don't worry. First thing tomorrow morning, I will send for him and I will talk sense into him. He must listen to me. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself.
I know that something is wrong somewhere.
Yes.
See what he's doing? It's not from my own Olisa. Your enemy is not from him. Somewhere, see, there's an element somewhere that is operating in his jurisdiction.
Don't worry. When I talk to him, the who will know if something is pushing him or is acting on his own self.
No problem. Please, we'll come together and I will be able to fight Tojuku.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Just leave him. Don't worry. Leave him for me.
When Ichiobi was telling me this yesterday, I did not believe it. That is why I said, let me come and hear.
I'm telling you, I was surprised that my brother could even believe his own girlfriend more than me, his brother. I said everything. I told him I never did. You see, you know me. Imagine me, we'll go and be sleeping, trying to sleep, lure his wife. Why would I do that? Don't worry, he's coming. He's coming. You even hear it from his voice.
Let me wait and hear what he will say. Let me wait. Olisa.
Please, Uncle. I have an appointment to attend to, so please be fast. I need to head somewhere now.
An important meeting to attend to than you resolving the issue you have with your brother. Olisa, what has come over you?
Nothing has come over me. I don't have any crisis with this man sitting here. He's a betrayer. How can this man make an attempt to rape my wife to be? If my wife is not decent enough, by now they would have been committing sacrilege in my bedroom. Look at him.
Look, I will not tolerate you come here and be talking about me in that manner. First of all, you lied against me. Do you understand me?
Yes, what will happen? Didn't you try to take over my wife to be?
She's a wife to be. She's not really yet your wife. Eh? And she's causing havoc all over the place.
The only person that is causing havoc is this vagabond sitting down here. Somebody that I met. I picked him up from the village where he's tapping palm wine. I established a multi-million business for him. How did he pay me back? He stabbed me at the back. I'm not supposed to be betrayed again for me to know that he's an unrepentant betrayer. Look at him. Look, Olisa, let me tell you. See, I'm your elder brother. And I think I deserve some respect. That you went to South Africa and met Mama and came back and helped me does not give you the impetus to be insulting me up and down. If I was the one that traveled to South Africa and made that money, don't you think I would do the same thing you did for me? You're my only brother. If I made that one, I would do the same. I even do more than you did for me. What is your problem? You're accusing me up and down. That Olosho, Asowoteba that you went and brought home. She has been beating that drum for you and you're dancing. You're busy dancing. Let me tell you, is that same thing that you're dancing that will take you to your grave if you don't take time? She knew why she set me up. And you're indulging with her. You're indulging her to do the same. To keep setting me up. You can see he's blabbing his mouth. Well, I have to go now. There's no tangible thing to discuss here. I have to leave.
Oh, Lisa, come back here. I'm not done talking to you. Not yet, ever.
And you, if I see you anywhere near my house, I will lock you up and throw away the keys.
Oh, Lisa, not yet, ever. Oh, Lisa,
let me tell you, if you want to go and carry bulldozer and block your house, I'm not coming. If you come here to this place again and insult me, you carry a shower table and accuse me up and down. Nonsense. Don't worry, I'll get back.
Olisa, you, my son, Namane, Anna, Amara, are all I have. When I think about the enmity between you and your brother, it breaks me the more every day. Please, my son, this is a time we should bond and be together as a family. Please, my son, I want you to forgive your brother and let him come back to you. Biko, mama. Biko. It's what I'm worried about. No, so good. Biko, mama. Please. I will need that for you. Please.
Mama, with all due respect, I need to say this. I am highly disappointed in you. I am highly disappointed in you. Mama, if I were to be your daughter, or let me say, Amara gets married, and her brother-in-law is trying to take advantage of her. Are you going to patronize it? Are you going to patronize something else over the safety of your own daughter? Mama, answer me.
Mama, I've heard what you said. Mama, I'm so disappointed in my brother. I can forgive everything. But see, what I can never forgive is betrayal. Not just betrayal. Betrayal from my own blood. My own brother. Somebody that I met. I know what I suffered in South Africa to make sure that this guy becomes somebody. And this guy just betrayed me just like this. Mama, if you know other things you can ask me to do for you, please ask. But this...
Because, please, forgive him. It's your brother, the same blood. Not again, the three of you is all I have. Please, my son, this is abomination. And then I want please, my son, please, forgive.
This family has been nothing but good to me. They don't deserve what I am doing to them. Olisa even asked Namani to leave the house. I feel so bad right now, but it's not my fault. Father, I am doing this for you. I just hope that the members of this home forgives me when they hear my story.
Money, listen to me. Get all the money now. Get money. I'm not happy you're going back to your previous job. See, you've made enough money. You can start up any business of your choice. I don't like you going back to the previous one. I like
the thing is that, let me tell you the truth. Do you know that a man is supposed to have different streams of income? Even if I open my business today, I'll still go back to this one. At least once in a while, I'll do this. See, let me tell you the truth. This thing is a generational occupation. My grandfather did it, my father did it. And that was what my father used to see me through education. I had my way now. You understand? So this one now, there's nothing. And there's more money in Habata. What do you think?
I know, man. This thing doesn't sit right with me. It doesn't sit well with me.
Guy. Are you afraid that somebody will ask you and snap your picture and go and show you and put it on social media? See, let me tell you the truth. You see this thing I'm going to do now? They will pay me 50,000. If I cut how many palm trees? Cut this one, cut the other one. And they harvest one palm wine. I come back, I collect 50,000. All those people working at the office, they stay like 1 month. Me, today, 4, 5, 6 hours, I'm done. And I come back, I collect 50,000. And I'll still buy you that your wristwatch. And I'll fetch you palm wine, fresh palm wine. And I'll even give you the one you give your parents.
Be careful.
No problem. I'll soon come back. Don't worry.
Please be careful, yeah? Do you want your own?
Baby, how did it go?
Yeah, he went well. He was asking for apology.
I hope you didn't agree to make peace with him.
How can I make peace with a betrayer?
That's good, my love. Thank God you didn't make peace with him. And I love the fact that you love me. You have shown me the kind of love you have for me. And you're willing to let your own blood go. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you, my love. I love you. Thank you, baby.
Hope you will be able to call this my passes.
Why would I be able to do that?
Because they are very plenty.
But my problem is where you're taking me to. I asked you before, where are we going to? You said, when I asked you there, you said if we just cross that tree. Now we've crossed the tree. Where else are we going to?
Just calm down, eh? It's not far again. If immediately we just cross this next road now, we'll reach the palm fruit, eh? So they can cut it for me. Eh?
Hold it!
Come to kill me.
You will call your brother. Tell him to provide my wife's corpse now, else I will set you ablaze. I see you are proving stubborn. Last chance. 1, 2, 3. Pour the fuel.
If my blood will bring justice for my sister, I don't mind.
I have done what you asked me to do. I beg you in the name of God, please don't hurt my father, please. Please, I've done what you asked me to do. Please don't hurt him. Okay. Please, don't hurt him.
Tochukwu, please release my daughter. How can you, Tochukwu? You lock up your sister like a common criminal. Please, I beg you. I am begging you. Tochukwu, release my daughter. She's the only one I have. She's the only one I have. Please release her for me. If you don't release her, I'm not leaving this place. Tochukwu, I can see you want to kill me before my time. Today you will kill me. I'm ready to die. Release my daughter for me. Tochukwu, release my daughter. I am begging you, please. I am begging you. I know you are determined to kill me. You're determined to kill me and I want to die. I want to die in your hands. Release my daughter for me. Tochukwu, release my daughter for me. Release my daughter. Release my daughter for me. Release my daughter. Tochukwu, release my daughter for me. I beg you. Free my daughter. You cannot lock my daughter up like a common criminal. What did she do to you? Release my daughter. I will die in this place. I am ready to die.
Dave. Dave. Release my sister.
So, Mama, please, I just want to say that I'm confused about everything that happened. And my brother here is saying that he doesn't know anything. So I'm totally confused. I don't understand what is going on. You understand?
Whatever the problem is, I think we have to put it behind us and focus on our problem, which is how to tackle the burial of my late daughter.
I see. My brother Namani, I'm so sorry for what happened. Everything I did and everything I said, just forgive, forget. And the businesses that I took from you, I've returned all of them back to you. They are now yours again. Just forgive. Forget.
Olisa. Yeah. I've forgiven you. As now you want me and I do not go. No matter how bitter one is, the brother still remains a brother.
Exactly.
But I still maintain my, my stand that I am innocent.
Yeah, no problem.
I still maintain my stand that I was wrongly accused. And I'll be very glad to see that that which we called truth is verified. Honestly. He has to.
Hello? Yeah, you can come in now, please. Come in. Okay.
Where am I? Where's my boss?
Where's my wife's corpse?
I don't know.
Where is my wife's corpse?
I don't know.
I'll ask you one last time. If you do not give me the answer I seek, I will shoot you in the head. 1, 2.
I know where it is.
3.
I know where it is. I will take you there.
Take this money. Rush to the village. Start digging the grave. Huh? All preparations. Make them now. Move!
Odogwadonye Ikotosi iru, kotosi alugi iru Odogwu tinye arụ, odogwu etinye Igba ama egbe tụọ gị bọmbụ ifo n'anya Odogwadonye iru, odogwadonye Echiri isi nwandibe, enene nsi na ji inugo Odogwadonye iru, odogwadonye Ka amụrụ dike, ka amụrụ odogwu Odogwu tinye arụ, odogwu etinye Everybody's afraid, yo Ucho di n'obodo nei Tochukwu banesi abịago Ochukwu ego kirikiri Okwu n'obodo obodo edeluji He's evil, he can do anything He's dangerous, he can do anything Odogwadonye iru, odogwadonye Ikotosi iru, kotosi alugi iru Odogwu tinye arụ, odogwu etinye Aja nchugola choki na agbanyala mụsụtọdọ Odogwadonye iru, odogwadonye Echiri isi nwandibe, enene nsi na ji inugo Odogwadonye iru, odogwadonye Ka amụrụ dike, ka amụrụ odogwu Odogwu tinye arụ, odogwu etinye Olisa le le le, Olisa. Olisa le, Olisa le le le, Olisa. Olisa, Olisa le le le, Olisa. Olisa le. Onye balwa kwa kanodu. Olisa. The battle line is strong. Olisa le. Onye balwa kwa kanodu. Olisa. Ego muzo, money where Sabi road. Olisa le. Money can never be a problem. Money can never be a problem. Wake sude suka wake. You know the shake, you know the shake. Amuru wake. Echiranchi, efichano onyegiya. Echiranchi, amuru wake. Echiranchi, efichano onyegiya. It's ready for war, back to back. Olisa le le le, Olisa. Olisa le, Olisa le.
What's wrong with the car? The car is off. We're just left there. Open the bonnet, find out what's wrong. Try to start it. Get it to move.
Money where Sabi road. Money can never be a problem. Money can never be a problem. You know the shake, you know the shake.
Find it. Let's go. Let's go. Let me bury you. Huh? Relax. You are dead and gone. You need to be buried so you can go and rest. Everybody will rest. Huh? Relax. Relax. Let me bury you. Biko, relax. Oh! What is your problem now? This woman, relax. Let me bury you. Stay one place. Stay one place, woman. Let me bury you. I don't have time. And what's the time? None of them can hear you. None of them.
A place in your heart to forgive me. I did it because my father was kidnapped by Tochukwu. He said he was going to kill my father. Please. Even though you will not accept me back in your family, please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I will be fulfilled if you forgive me, please. I'm sorry.
I know there is no reason to justify the fact that she betrayed your trust and love for her. Because she did what she did because she wants to save her father. Hold on to that reason and forgive her. Because please, please.
I'm glad that this happened. At least finally I've been vindicated. Also, this should, make my brother, listen, to start believing and trusting your siblings. When they tell you something, sometimes you listen to us. Begin to trust us. It's so sad, but I will urge you to forgive her. Let bygone be bygone. That's all I have to say.
It is true that what she did was wrong. She should have confided in you, but she didn't. Because she was scared and she wasn't thinking properly. Everyone makes mistakes, and this is hers. Please, Olisa, do not hold it against her. Forgive her and take her back. Please.
Brother, please, I beg you. Forgive her. To err is human, and to forgive is divine. Because you
can see that my people love you so much. Everybody saying forgive, forget. That is to show how they accepted you in this family. You're a nice woman. But what baffles me is what you did. You didn't tell me what transpired between you and Tochukwu. At least I should have found a possible way to assist. But you went ahead to play a part that cannot be allowed. Have you heard what you said? But I cannot trust her again. This relationship is over.
Chilisi wantibe enenensi na jinugo Odogu doyiro odogu adoye Kamulo dike kamulo odogu Odogu tinyaro odogu etinye Everybody's afraid yo Ucho di nobodo lei Tochukwu banesi abiago Ochukwu ego kirikiri Opu no bodo deluji. He's evil, he can do anything. He's dangerous, he can do anything. Odogu doyiro odogu adoye Ikoto siaru kiru Odogu tinyaro odogu etinye Ajam chugola choki na kwanyala musutodo